So what we're looking at here is how to share out results with participants. And our first stop is our Thoughts tab. Now, this is a great place if you're live in the room to share out the prioritized list of thoughts. But what you can also do is actually create that in an external report to share with participants. Maybe you're doing it as part of a midway report. All you do is click that reports button up in the top right side, add a title, let's call it Midway Report. Choose the filters you want. I'm not going to choose any because this is just a general report. Select Generate. And then you can view it. And you can see it's exactly what you're looking at on the dashboard, along with whatever settings you've chosen, but it's external. So it's a really easy way to share out with participants. And of course, copy the link. Really easy to send it out that way. The next one we're going to look at is actually our Reports tab. And this lets leaders create a custom website really in just a few minutes. So all you have to do is select New, give it a report. Let's say I'm doing it for the same purpose, so I'm going to call it my Midway Report, just for consistency's sake. Select Create, and here are all of the customizable fields. So give the text a read through and customize it so it fits your narrative. Maybe in the overview section, you actually want to highlight actions that are coming out. Maybe you want to highlight next steps. Really use it for whatever you need to use it for. Now, as you go down, you can also see that there's options to add visualizations. So again, there's the top thoughts report. I'm actually going to copy the settings from that Midway report. I'll select OK. And I'm going to show you a really cool new feature that we have in any of the bars or tiles visualizations. So you saw I selected settings, and it gives me the option to choose a theme set. Now, if I choose what is called the AI generated themes, that's actually going to update in real time with our AI generated themes as more participation happens. So it's a really nice way to give a real-time update of what the conversation looks like to participants. Scroll down to the bottom once you're happy with all the text, select Save, and then all you have to do to view the report is select the title, and up it comes. And there you see, in just a few minutes, actually able to create a full website to share out the big picture results with participants. Now, the last thing we're going to look at is a tab that leaders don't always think about when they're trying to share out the results, and it's actually our Manage tab. So what the Manage tab does is it controls who is able to access the dashboard. What you can do is select Add, and you see that you have two options, View Only or Manage. Now, if I was a leader and I had some key stakeholders who I needed to get on board with actions coming out of the exchange, I might add their email addresses there and give them view only access. If I had a group of leaders who I wanted to have a working session with, I would probably then give them manage access because they're actually able to edit things on the dashboard and really dig into the results. And so then I click Add. They will receive an email to set up an account, and it's just that easy.